Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, then welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make inexpensive Valentine's gifts, baskets. I have a variety of candy and baskets here on my desk. Most of this is actually, I think everything actually is from the Dollar Tree. So these are very inexpensive. These come in a 2-pack. These come in a 2-pack. Candy here. I've already put some candy on a stick here. Just use some skewers and hot glue them to the stick. And let's see what we're going to do first. I do have something I want to try out. Let's see. I'm going to try this out. Let's see. I'm just hot gluing the edges of the box. Try to glue these together and try to make a box. Tissue paper. Stuff that in there. Yes. Like that. Okay. Oh, I can use this. Put that in there. And then just kind of put some candy around it. Ooh, let me put this in first. And you can actually put a bottom on this too. You actually probably have to actually. So let me see. Yeah, we have to put a bottom on there. So I have to glue a bottom on there. Or we can put this one in here. And you can just basically put as many as you like on there. bottom back on there. Well, glue the bottom on there. Yeah. I don't know if I want to use this bottom or another one of the same candies, but inexpensive and cute. Okay, let's see. And basically we can do the same thing with, let me see. You can do other things if you don't want to do the candy. You can do, I have a Bath and Body set here. Actually, to make this stand up more, you can use like a foam. If you have some type of foam you can put in, you can use that. Okay, that's much better. Okay. These are actually from the dollar store too. They come in like a 6-pack for these and for these. So all of this is really from the dollar store. Even the heart-shaped circles. We can even put some of these in here. Oh, I'll put it. Yeah, that's cool. And then, oh, and I have a bag of candy. You can actually, especially with this one because it's a basket, so you can throw some candy in there as well. Cute, inexpensive. And basically the same thing with this one. Let me get some paper. That for bottom. And I need that other one. Let's see. And just basically stick your candy in there, however you please to do it. However you wish to do it, just stick your candy in there. And with these sticks, you can make them shorter so that they won't be so tall. Like this one is weighing it over, so you don't want to do that. And you can just go in and cut the sticks so that they'll be shorter, so that they won't be so long. And I also have these balloons. You can put balloons in there. Let me see. Probably put this on here. Make sure you can see that. And then just fill it with your candy. I need something to go in the middle of this one though. I'm gonna get something up there or something to put in the middle of this one. But you will basically do this one the same way. Fill it with some candy also. This one I'm not done working with because I want to get something else to put in there. But I was going to show you how these are some heart-shaped balloons with some confetti in them. You can use those to there we go. Wanted to let some of that air out of there. Alright. I was going to try to put this one like on here. And I'll probably get a stick or something, a balloon stick. I have a stick in there actually. Get a stick or something and put that on there somewhere. I think that'd be really cute. So yeah, I think you can, or I can probably put it on here. But yeah, something like that. Let me see. I have some balloon sticks actually, so I'll just get one of those. But yeah, you can do any. These are all really simple, inexpensive gifts that you can do. I also have some rose petals. Let me get those. Put those in there, like anything. Like these are just really inexpensive, and you can basically just do. It don't take much basically. And then I'm gonna finish this one off. I'm gonna get probably another little bear like that. Put that on there. I think that'll be really cute. Throw some more candy in there. I don't want to put too many sticks in there right now because I want to cut these down for this. It's kind of short, so I kind of want to cut the sticks down on this one. But yeah, inexpensive and very simple to make. All right. I wanted to put some stickers in. But yeah. Yes, I like that. Okay. Now I can put more candy in there. But yeah. Alright, please don't forget, just hit me up if you have any questions, comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.